Hi everyone, in today's video I'll answer a common question. Can you use the Whoop band without subscription? Let's get straight into it. So if you've been browsing the Whoop website, you've probably noticed that their bands are offered as part of membership plans, not standalone purchases. You might be wondering, can I still use the band without paying for a subscription? The answer is no, you can't. Whoop is designed to work only with an active subscription. According to their website, every membership includes the device, charger, and access to Whoop's features like sleep tracking, strain scores, recovery, analysis, and more. If you don't have an active subscription, the Whoop band becomes completely non-functional. You won't be able to access any data, use the app, or sync anything. That said, you can try Whoop for a free trial membership, but once that trial or your paid subscription ends, the band stops working. So to sum it up, Whoop band requires a subscription. No subscription, no functionality. I hope this clears things up. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick answers like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.